Let's explore e-commerce search engine optimization, or SEO. Learn how to optimize your online store for search engines and drive more organic traffic. E-commerce SEO is the practice of optimizing online stores to rank higher in search engine results pages, also known as SERPs. It involves enhancing various elements of your online store to improve visibility and drive more organic traffic. Unlike general SEO, e-commerce SEO focuses specifically on product pages, category pages, and commercial intent keywords that drive sales. E-commerce SEO includes three components: on-page SEO, which includes product optimization and category pages; technical SEO, which includes site structure and site speed; and content strategy, which includes product descriptions, blogs, and guides. The key elements of e-commerce SEO are on-page optimization, technical SEO, and content strategy. On-page optimization involves optimizing product titles, descriptions, meta tags, and URLs. Use relevant keywords and maintain unique content for each product page. Technical SEO involves ensuring proper site structure, fast loading speeds, mobile optimization, and clean URL architecture. Also, implement schema markup for products. Content strategy involves creating high-quality product descriptions, buying guides, and educational content. Focus on addressing customer pain points and search intent. Well-optimized product pages are crucial for e-commerce SEO. They should include relevant keywords, clear descriptions, and proper HTML structure. Key elements include descriptive product titles, unique product descriptions, high-quality images with alt text, and proper schema markup. Here is an example of an optimized product page structure. A div tag with item scope and item type is equal to https://schema.org/product:. It has a heading tag with item property equal to name that says premium organic coffee beans. It has an image tag with item property equal to image. Source is coffeebeans.jpg, and alt is fresh organic coffee beans. Next, a div tag with item property equal to description, which says ethically sourced, premium coffee beans. And lastly, a div tag with item property offers, which has a span tag with item property price. Its value is $29.99. Here are the URL structure best practices. A good URL structure includes clear hierarchy, uses hyphens for spaces, contains relevant keywords, is short and descriptive, and contains no special characters. An example of a good URL is example.com/electronics/smartphones/iphone-14-pro-128 GB. A bad URL structure has no clear hierarchy, uses underscores and caps, contains ID parameters, is not user-friendly, and hard to understand. An example of a bad URL is example.com/p?id =123 =45 item =iPhone_14_pro_128 GB. A well-organized site structure helps search engines understand and index your content efficiently. It also improves user navigation and distributes link authority throughout your site. Key principles for site structure and internal linking are a maximum of 3 clicks to reach any page, a clear category hierarchy, strategic internal linking, and a logical URL structure. Here is a site structure example. Homepage goes to Category 1, Category 2, and Category 3. Category 1 goes to Subcategory 1.1 and Subcategory 1.2. Subcategory 1.1 goes to Product 1.1.1 and Product 1.1.2. Category 2 goes to Subcategory 2.1 and Subcategory 2.2. Subcategory 2.1 goes to Product 2.1.1, and Subcategory 2.2 goes to Product 2.2.1. Lastly, Category 3 goes to Subcategory 3.1, which goes to Product 3.1.1. Technical SEO metrics include page load speed and mobile optimization. Fast-loading pages improve user experience and rankings. Monitor server response time, image optimization, and caching. The target load time should be less than 3 seconds. Ensure your e-commerce site is fully responsive and provides an excellent mobile user experience. The target mobile-friendly score should be 100%. Schema markup helps search engines understand your product information better, potentially leading to rich snippets in search results. Important schema properties include product name and description, price and availability, reviews and ratings, and brand information. Tip: test your schema markup using Google's Rich Results Test tool to ensure proper implementation. Here is an example of schema markup for products. At context is https://schema.org, at type is product, name is wireless noise cancelling headphones, description is premium wireless headphones with active noise cancellation, brand is Tech Audio, offers includes price $299.99, price currency is USD, and availability is https://schema.org/in-stock. Aggregator rating includes rating value of 4.8 and a review count of 420. 5. Content strategy for e-commerce includes product content, buying guides, and frequently asked question content. Product content means to create unique, detailed product descriptions that highlight features, benefits, and use cases. Include relevant keywords naturally. Product content includes unique descriptions, feature highlights, specifications, and usage guidelines. Buying guides means to develop comprehensive buying guides that help customers make informed decisions. Target informational search intent. Buying guides include comparison guides, how to choose, best products for X, and buyer's checklist. Frequently asked questions content means to address common customer questions and concerns. Use frequently asked questions schema markup for better visibility in search results. Frequently asked question content includes product frequently asked questions, shipping info, return policy, and size guides. Here is the e-commerce SEO best practices summary. Optimize product pages with unique descriptions, high-quality images, and proper schema markup. Implement clear site structure with logical category hierarchy and internal linking. Ensure technical optimization with fast loading speeds and mobile-friendly design. Create valuable content including buying guides, frequently asked questions, and educational resources. Use clean URL structure with descriptive slugs and proper categorization. Regularly monitor and improve performance metrics using analytics and Search Console data. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.